Facebook, here from Keystone Alliance Mortgage in our Erie, PA location. I'm Megan Marsh and this is Stacy. We are two of the loan officers here, and we had some really exciting news for us here. We get excited about this stuff and we want you to understand as a homeowner, or if you're buying a house or selling a house, why you should be excited too. It's awesome. So we're going to explain to you what is going on.
So the changes are with the FHA monthly mortgage insurance premium. So every so often FHA will make some changes to what this amount is. Back in 2013, the monthly premium that a home buyer was paying was 1.35%. That is the highest FHA ever has been. Then that was the premium until January of 2015. And FHA did a drastic drop, as you can see, and it went down to 0.8. And that's what buyers have been paying since January of 2015. Now, as of January 27th of 2017, they are dropping this premium again to 0.6. So what does that mean? That 0.2%, what does that mean to a buyer, to a seller, to anybody? So back in this time frame, on a $100,000 house, that would have been $108 a month you were paying for that mortgage insurance premium. With the change that took effect January of 2015, that dropped to $64 on a $100,000 house. Now, with it down to 0.6, on a $100,000 house, that's $45. You're saving $19 a month. So a house that may not have been affordable before, now is. If we go up just a little bit more, oh, sorry, you were going to do that. If you go up just a little bit more to a $200,000 house, this is an even bigger change. You were paying $217 a month. Came down to right now, it's about $128, which is still a lot. But now you're looking at only $90 a month that you're going to pay for that mortgage insurance premium, making these price ranges so much more affordable.
Right, and so what we wanted to do was kind of explain, because if you're selling your house, or if you are, you think, okay, buyers, this is great. As a buyer, I can, it's going to cost me less. And I want to show you how it can affect you if you have an FHA loan, if you're selling your house. So I put down here, that's what it's going to be for people that are buying right now. But if you have an FHA loan right now, you probably get stuff in the mail or you see things, you can refinance at the exact same rate that you're currently at. And these would be the changes that she explained. So if you bought a house for $200,000 with an FHA loan and you refinanced at the same rate, your monthly premium would go down that $38. But most likely, your mortgage balance has gone down. You may get a lower interest rate. And so you're going to save money by refinancing. And the best part is on refinancing with FHA, they have what's called streamlined refis, where you don't have to have the appraisal again. You don't need your income docs again. You sometimes don't need your asset docs. And you can do a streamlined refi at no cost, where lender credits cover the cost of the refi. So you're better off doing this. There's not a recoup time period. As a buyer, you're right. The same house you looked at 2 weeks ago is going to now be cheaper than it was before. And if you're a seller, I think this one's really huge, and I wrote them down. So now you have this whole pool of buyers that the house payment's lower for them, or their real estate agents can bump them up on their search, and they can look in a higher price range, for one thing. And as a seller, how much would you have to reduce your listed price to have this same effect? So to have like a $20 amount, $20 payment change for your buyer, you'd have to drop your price between $4,000 and $5,000, which is a big amount when you're getting that money. To drop it, let's say around $44, you'd have to drop it $10,000. And
it's a lot of money out of your pocket.
Yeah, and not on this board, FHA loans, that was another change we didn't write down. They went up. You could have a loan amount of $271. So you could buy a house around $275. They just increased it.
It's now $275.
So the minimum loan is $275. You can purchase probably around like $280. Those ones, it would change your payment here about $170. You'd have to drop your house for someone to afford in that range. you'd have to drop for a $118 difference, $25,000 or $40,000 in the price of your home to make the same changes that FHA has pretty much just pushed out.
So this has opened up a lot of doors for a lot of more buyers.
So if you have questions, if you want to check in, it doesn't hurt to check. There's no obligation. If you want to check in, if it's worth refinancing to just get the premium change, see what the difference would be.
I would say if you purchased your house or did your mortgage in this time frame,
Yes.
you need to refinance.
Yeah, if you have not,
If you were from 2013 through January of 2015, give us a call.
right, and you're not adding costs onto your loan. FHA doesn't allow you to do that. There is a little bit with the MIP premium, but you get refunded a portion. So everyone with an FHA loan should at least be checking out how they can benefit from this.
Definitely.
So I hope this helped. You can go to our website, give us a call, either at our Erie office or our State College and Altoona office, and we would be happy to just tell you how this would help your family.
Thank you.
Thanks for listening.